Alright everyone, so in this one you have found your images that you want for your slides and you'd like to do some animations for it. So currently, if I would play my slide, everything would be showing up and just continuing to go on forever. Now that's fun for your little ones because it's an easy target, they're not moving, but for your older kids, they're going to get bored with this. So what you can do is add animations. So that's this tab right here. I typically like to leave one there the entire time. It's up to you if you'd like to change that. So for these two, we're going to stagger them so that one shows up at one time, does some movement, and then leaves, and then we'll do the same thing for the other one. So let's get this guy that's doing the spins right here. So we're going to add animations, and we can click on any of the entrances. I like to do that just because it's kind of like a big reveal kind of for the kids. And like I said, you always want to make sure that you're doing it with after previous. And since there's one already staying there, and that this one we don't want it showing up right away, we can delay it about two seconds so that that we're making sure we fill the full 30 seconds for the slide if that's how long you wanted to do your slide for. And then we'll add like a different movement. So let's add the loops. The loops are always a fun one for the kids. And so we'll make sure it's always after previous, and you can change the duration to those loops to make it go a little bit slower. So let's do 5 seconds. And then we can add, you could always add more things. You could add different movements. You could add all that other stuff just to fill in time. You can get crazy with it. But just for this purpose, I'll just keep it pretty basic. And then maybe let's do a float out, and you can even change the direction to which direction you want it to float out, or up or down, and we'll do that after the end. Remember to always go after previous, and then let's make it a 2-second entrance. And then let's add our running man. So let's have him fly in. Let's have him fly in from, let's go from the top right. So he'll be flying in from the top right. Make sure to always go after previous, and let's make it a 2-second entrance again. And what type of animation do we want to do? Let's do a custom path. So if you wanted to do a custom path, you want to click on where the image is already currently at, and let's say we want to go up, down, back, and back to the starting spot. So after you've done all of those, you can do as many as you want there. You want to make sure you click on add animation so that ends that one. You'll see that's moving all crazily on there. And let's go after previous. Let's slow them down a little bit. Let's make them do all that in about, let's do 7 seconds. And then we'll add our exit, and we'll just do, since he's running, let's do a fly out. And we'll go, this time let's go to the top left. And we'll have them fly out. We'll have them fly out pretty quick with this one. So we'll do it only for, let's say, 1 second. And then you finally got your last guy who's just been chilling the whole time. So maybe you want to add animation. Since he's been there the whole time, you don't need to do an entrance. And let's have him grow and shrink. That's always a fun one. And let's have the duration slowed down quite a bit. Remember to always go after previous. And if you wanted them to grow and shrink again, you can add it again. Remember to go after previous, slow it down a little bit, and we'll add an exit. So let's have them swivel. After previous, and now let's give it a try. Let's see if it all works. Go play from current slide. You see that our one guy's is just going to be chilling there the whole time. Now our guy with the spins is moving around, and then he'll fade out, and then we'll have our running guy run in, and then he'll start his custom path movement that we made, and it will run right out of there pretty quickly. Then our other guy will grow and shrink and swivel out. That's how you add some animations to your PowerPoint.